Hey guys! Today we're going to be making a paper mache globe, and all you need for this project is a balloon, flour for the paper mache paste, and a bowl and newspapers cut into strips. Now to make the paper mache paste, all you need is a cup of flour, a bowl to put it in, and then a cup of water. And all you do is just mix it until there's no clumps left. After you're done with the paper mache paste, all you do now is you grab your newspaper strips and you're going to dip it into the paper mache paste and cover it both sides, front and back. If the newspaper rips, the paper mache may be a little too thick, and all you have to do is just add a little bit of water into the mixture, mix it up, and then you can add it to your newspaper strips. Adding a little bit of water to my mixture and mixing it up again made it easier for me to put it onto the newspaper strips. Now I'm just going to continue the whole process of putting the newspaper strips onto my balloon, and this is the final result. And after this, all I did was put a string on top of the balloon and tied that string onto a hanger, and then from there I just hanged it on my door. I left it there hanging for 2 days, and I made sure that the paper mache wasn't able to stick to the balloon anymore. From there I cut a hole on the balloon, and then I waited to deflate it and took it out. My balloon is pretty sturdy, and now I'm going to begin painting it. I got some light blue paint that I found, and I'm just going to paint the whole thing all over. So I went ahead and I already started freehanding it, but all I did was I got a book and looked at a picture of a map and I started freehanding it. To me, it doesn't have to be perfect, but if you want to be more detailed, you can go ahead and print out a picture of the map and cut it out and trace it. I think this is a perfect way for kids to learn where exactly all the continents are. Where is Italy? What's the shape of it? How does Africa look? And where's Madagascar? This is my final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and try this out. Thanks for watching.